welcome to Bitesize Piano. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how you could play as piano accompaniment Time After Time by Cyndi Lauper. So this is my arrangement of the piano accompaniment. I will sing just as a reference, and I've left in the description where you can access the full chords and lyrics. I've also linked below my other 80s tutorials playlist, so go and check that out. Let's dive in. This one is in the key of C major. These are the notes we are using, just all the white keys. And then here is middle C as the reference point. So look at the intro first, and this is how I've chosen to arrange the intro. So I'll play it first. I'll teach both hands at the same time. Left hand will be blue and right hand will be orange on the screen there. So the right hand, we're going to play F major in root position. All of these chords in the intro root position. F, A, C. I'm going to play that first. And the left hand is going to be in the same position of F major, but it's going to break up the notes. So I'm going to go chord F, A, C, F, A, C. And then we move that shape up one in both hands to G major, so G, B, D in each hand. So same pattern, chord G, B, D, G, B, D. And then we're going to move that same shape down to E minor, E, G, B in each hand. Same pattern, chord E, G, B, E, G, B. And then back to F major again. And then we repeat that again. So that's the intro. And now we're going to have a look at the verse. So this first verse is much bigger than the rest of the verses. So the first chord is a D minor with a C in the left hand. And we're going to be keeping the left hand on C, and the right hand's going to be moving from D minor, so F, A, D, first inversion, and then it moves down the same shape to C major first inversion, which is E, G, C. And you do that back and forth 8 times. Lying in my bed. And then for this next part, we play F major with F in the left hand. It's just how we've played it in the intro. So we play that once. Up to G major with G in the left hand. So we have flashback. Then down to E minor with E in the left hand. So again, all these chords we've had in the intro. E minor to F. And then we have F, G, E minor, and hold that. So I'll do that again. Flashback, warm nights, almost left behind. And then we go back to the F, G, E minor, F again. Suitcase of memories, time after, and then on the word time after, we play F major with a G in the left hand. So sort of like a bit of a passing chord. So now it's the second half of the verse. We go back to that D minor over C to the C 8 times. Sometimes you picture me, I'm walking too far ahead. You're calling to me, I can't hear what you said. And then we go back to this bit again, but as you can see on the screen it's slightly different. We just don't have the F over G at the end. You say go slow, I fall behind. The second hand unwinds if you're lost, and then it's into the chorus. So I'm going to join all of this together from the intro to the end of this first verse. Okay, so the chorus then, it's all similar kind of chords. So we have G major, so you can play in fifths now if you want to make it sound more full for the chorus. So G major root position with G and D in the left hand. If you're lost, you can look and you will find me. So you're going to play the chord twice in the right hand and hold the left hand down. And then we move that up to A minor. Same shape, so A, E, then A, C, E. So this is a new chord. A minor root position, play it twice. And then we go to F major once, G major once, and then C major twice. So I'm playing C major as G, C, E. Second inversion with C and G in the left hand, so playing in fifths in the left hand. And then you repeat this chord progression for this first verse 4 times. So if I just demonstrate. If you're lost, you can look and you will find me. Time after time. If you fall, I will catch you, I'll be waiting. Time after time. If you're lost, you can look and you will find me. Time after time. Interlude part before the next verse starts, I'm just going to play the intro again. So for the second verse, there's nothing new. The chords are on the screen, so it's like the second half of the first verse, exactly the same. After my picture fades and darkness has turned to grey, watching through windows, you're wondering if I'm okay. Secrets stolen from deep inside. Drum beats out of time, and then into the chorus again, but we only repeat that chord progression twice this time. If you're lost, if you look and you will find me. Time after time. If you fall, I will catch you, I'll be waiting. Time after time. So once you've played that chord progression just twice through for this second chorus, there's another interlude, and we're not going to be playing the again, the bass line or the guitar solo parts. We're going to be playing this instead, so I'll just play it first. We are going to be taking this constant repeated G is like the highest note in all of these chords, so that's taken from the guitar solo. We're just playing it more as a simple piano accompaniment arrangement. So we're playing G major first, and my left hand's going to be playing in fifths. So we have G major. So again, the G is going to be the highest note of all of these chords. We have G major first inversion, B, D, G. I'm going to play that twice. Then we have A minor 7, so A and E in the left hand, and then C, E, G in the right hand. And then we're going to play that again in the right hand once, but the left hand's going to move down to F and C. So this makes F major 9. And then we go back to the G major for 1, and then C major root position, C, E, G, with C and G in the left hand for 2. And we're going to repeat this chord progression twice. So. And then we're into this next section, which I'm going to call the verse, but the chords are on the screen. You said, go slow, I fall behind. Now the second hand unwinds. And then we're into the chorus, which we repeat that chord progression 4 more times. If you're lost, you can look and you will find me. Time after time. We repeat F major, G major to C major until it fades. But I'm going to play it like this. So F major, G major second inversion, so G in the left hand, and then G, and then D, G, B in the right hand. So, and C major first inversion, which we've had before. And we just repeat those 3 chords until it fades, or if you need it to want it to sound finished, you just hold that C chord down. Time after time, time after time, time after time, time after time. So that's the end of this video. If you have a request, please leave them in the comment section of this video. Also remember to like and subscribe. I've left some videos here you might like, so go and check those out. I also have a course, so if you would like to learn how to read music from scratch, go visit Bitesize Piano Course.co.uk. You can enroll and start learning. I'll see you in the next video.